Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add a hyperlink to a jpeg in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, use only jpeg, then second use text. Okay. First of all, use jpeg. Simply click the slash tool and select area. Right click, use edit slash option and name here. Type any name here and type or paste URL. Okay. And secondly, use jpeg with text. See this text, apply the same process, slash tool, right click, name any name, type URL or paste, okay, click OK, go to file tab, save for web, jpeg, png, location, desktop, name, text, and see this HTML and image or image only. First of all, use HTML with and image and file name text. Okay. And secondly, again use only image, name, image, save, then reopen, and now see this image or text file. First of all, open image file, see this, open image file, and secondly open text or web, see this, open this browser, then see your file. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.